Ay, look at the Orbees!
Ouch.
Ouch.
I'm Yayay.
Yay.
Oh, what is this? Ah, another teeth.
Another teeth.
Like me. That's a big teeth of the down.
Of the down. Just find it. What about in the fridge? Where are the Orbees? Find properly. Where's the Orbees? Where? Oh, there are the Orbees. Okay, let's. Alright, welcome back, mga loves. Welcome to Bubuchang's World! Yeah! Okay, like what I said sa kabilang vlog, papakita kami ng aming mga nabiling
Orbees.
Yes, Orbees and slimies. Crystal slime.
Ew.
Healer din ka na. Okay, so unahin muna natin ang Orbees kasi ano siya, it would take time for us to see the results. So, let's get started.
Look at this. Yucky. Look.
Okay.
These are Halloween.
Water. Okay, so we are going to
Scissors.
yeah, open the Orbees and then titignan natin if it's gonna get bigger and bigger and bigger.
And biggest.
Biggest.
Let's mix it.
Mix it. So let's go ahead and
We not.
so I'm gonna go ahead and cut this one. Then pour something in
We
it.
got mixing. I
You pour
mix.
this. Wait, hold on. Okay, show them. Oh, Orbees!
They're stuck.
It's better to cut them muna first. Alright, so we are going to put some Orbees inside. Come
All
on.
of them.
Yep. Let's make it fast. And let's see if the Orbees will really get bigger because this Orbees is from Uyanggarin. Divisoria.
Stuck.
Stuck?
Yes, the blue one. The dark blue.
Like that lang.
Okay, let's pick some more.
Okay, we have so many Orbees here on the side. Come on. Do it. It's nothing inside. Okay. Go. You can do this.
Okay, I'll pick all of them. Oh, there's some more ovaries. It wasn't so same.
Dalian mo, babe. Alright.
What?
Wow, is it getting bigger? Not yet.
Yes. That's so many. Let's make some more Orbees. Okay, let's make some more.
Make it fast. Alright, too many.
That's too
Are
many.
you excited?
Yes, sir.
Sir. I'm not a sir.
You are not a sir. Because you are the girl, sir.
Faster, make it fast. Ay, look at the Orbees. I think they're getting bigger now. You mix it, you stir. Alright. Slowly, kaya mahulog siya. Okay. So I think that's it. We're gonna wait for a little while and let's see if they will become bigger, okay? Alright?
I'll mix it, okay?
Okay.
All of them. Right.
We're gonna put the Orbees here and then we're gonna be back later for them. Okay, so we're done with the Orbees and now we're going to check out our slimies. So, wait lang. We've got like 5 slimies. So, these are the slimies. So, we're gonna get a
2,
3, 4, 5. So, different colors. So, we're going to open them up. Okay, let's try the slimies. So, we're gonna open them up. So, these are the slimies. So, let's open this.
No, this one first.
Okay, show them. Show them in the camera. Show them. Show them, ba.
Yeah.
Oh.
It's a teeth. Kami yung mga teeth.
Slimy, let's touch it. Oh my gosh. Oh, there's a yucky.
Yan. Ew! Is it cold? What's
No.
inside?
There's yucky. There's
So what's... Oh my gosh! It's like a teeth! Look at that! Look at that. It's a teeth. Oh my god.
that's a monster teeth.
Yeah. And it's inside a slimy. So the slimy is like this. Ew! It feels so weird. Oh, and you put the teeth here in the middle. Put the teeth here. Ganito, you put the teeth here. This is the teeth, the baby teeth.
Baby teeth? Napatay na baby teeth?
Yo, oh my god, it's so weird. So what do we have next for this next surprise? Wait.
Let's put it.
It really is very cold. Cold in your skin. You just put it inside again. So thank you so much. What else do we have next?
This red.
The red one, you show them. Show them how to open it.
Ouch.
Ouch.
Ay.
Yeah.
Oh, what is this? Another teeth.
Another teeth.
Like me. That's a big teeth of the down.
Of the down. Pataka lang yung English.
Ay, hindi mo daw
That's sticky.
This one. Oh, look at that. Oh, you see that? Oh, yeah, another teeth from the down though. Postizo.
The same.
Yeah, the same. Okay, put this inside. Ew, you have so many yuckies.
Yeah. There's
And slimies. Just like Ryan's.
Ew, yucks.
Yucks. There. So, okay. Next.
Next, this one, blue one.
So show them. Show them how to open it. What's inside?
What's this?
Oh, show them.
Oh, that's a bone.
A finger. It's a finger. Oh, it's a finger.
Now, but
show them.
that's a baby finger.
Yeah.
Baby finger.
Alright,
Ah.
They don't do that to me. Te, here lang yan sa slimy together ba?
Yeah.
There. So let's show them the finger.
Yeah.
So these are like yucky ones. Look at the finger.
Eh?
Oh.
Oh, but that's a baby finger.
Yep. It's so slicky. Yucks.
Ah! What you put it?
Ew, yucky. Okay, let's put this back into the... Okay, next.
This one.
Okay, open them.
Okay, what is this side? I can see something. Is that another hand? No. Ah! What's this?
Go, open it. Show them. In your hand. In your hand. Put it in your hand. Go. No, just pour it ba. Like this.
Ew.
What's that inside? Oh, it's an ear! Look at that. Ew, it's like from the vampire. Look at the ears. So slimy, and there's ear in. Oh my gosh!
That's a
Look.
good one, ears.
Yeah, that's an ear. Look at the ear.
That's like me.
Yep.
And not the face.
So let's put this back too. Yes. Let's put this back. Put this back.
And not the eyes.
I don't know. There's no eye. Okay, go. Get the others.
This one, that's a real green. Hey. The blue one.
Open it pa.
Wait, what's this inside?
Okay, I'm gonna open this.
Okay. This is
Oh, it's another ear.
another ear.
Ew. It's like a sip-on. Like a phlegm. Oh my gosh, another
Let
ear.
me see.
You can't eat it, okay? So,
We got it. Where is the ear?
here. Alright. Oh.
Let me see the Orbees.
Okay, baby Kung. So, out of these slimies, which one is your favorite? All of the slimies.
All of it.
So, you like all of them? So, this is not for swallowing, mga loves. You cannot eat this, ha, mga bata, ha? You can just play with it. Make sure that you have your mom or dad or at. Okay, so yun, mga loves. Huwag nyo lang pansinin itong aking nilagay sa aking leeg kasi may allergies ako. Oh my gosh. So, yun, mga loves. Let's check out the Orbees. So, Kung is playing the Orbees right now. So, how was it after 30 minutes? Is it bigger now?
No. I have to play. I have to play car.
Is it bigger now? Let me see. Whoa. Is it squishy?
Yep. How to? Because.
So, let's see. Let's wait for tomorrow, like after 24 hours, okay? If it's gonna become bigger.
Oh! Goodness!
Okay. Bye-bye, Orbees. See you tomorrow.
2,000 years later.
Good morning. So let's check our Orbees. Oh, we have our Kung right here. Oh, OMG, they're so big already. Alright.
Ah, there's no my hands.
Huh?
There's no my hands.
Okay, so are you happy? Are you happy with the Orbees?
Yeah. I have to put my feet on it.
Later na lang ang feet.
The next morning.
Hey mga loves, this is day 2 of our Orbees experiment. So, let's check it out. Actually mga loves, nilagay ko siya sa ref. Hindi alam ni kung saan nakatago si Orbees. So, you will surprise her and let's see kung ano ang kanyang reaction. Okay, come on. Kung, where are your Orbees? Why? What happened to the Orbees?
Mommy, Daddy, push the Orbees
Where?
on the water.
Oh, there's no Orbees there anymore?
I want to buy another Orbees.
No, the Orbees are here. Find it! Come on!
Orbees in the under.
No, find the Orbees now! Come on! Find it! Where is it? Find the Orbees.
They're gone. They're gone.
Just find it. What about in the fridge? Where are the Orbees?
Gone too.
Find properly. Where's the Orbees? Where?
Over here.
Oh, there are the Orbees. Okay, let's get it. Wait. You close the fridge.
Yeah.
You put this on the fridge and then open it. Open it. Oh, they're so big now! And they're cold?
Oh, the
Oh, very cold Orbeez. Very cool. So refreshing. Ah, it feels so cold in
I love cold. There's a water. There's a
Orbeez
water.
are so cool. It's like crystal-like water beads. So Orbeez are water beads. So.
Oh, the crack.
I don't crack it. Kasi masira yan. So what's happening to the Orbeez?
They smell like a kid.
Okay. So refreshing. I love it. Do you love it?
Yes.
Orbeez everywhere.
I want to put my.
Like it's bigger than the original size. The original size is like a dot. And this is so much bigger than...
Would you put it, Nanay?
Are you happy with the Orbeez?
Yeah.
So actually, mga loves, Orbeez is, they are used for water beads for plants or decorations. Now you can just open it. We're gonna play for a little while for the Orbeez. You can just play like that in your hand. So refreshing if it's hot. So you can use this as well as cold compress. You can put that in the fridge.
I'm gonna cold my hand.
Yeah.
Smell it, smell it.
No, I don't want to smell it. Alright. That's it, mga loves. That's our Orbeez experiment for 2 days. So, ito lang yung pinakamalaking Orbees. Ay! I fell down. Pinakamalaking Orbees na nakita namin or na-feel namin, na-experimentohan namin. So, that's it mga loves. Thank you so much for joining our Orbees experiment dito sa aming humble abode, sa aming bahay. Thank you so much. We love you mga loves. What about you? Do you love them? Bye! Bye! I love you! Mwah!